Hello, and welcome to Tech Tuesday. My name is Neil, and today we're going to be going over how to install and uninstall apps on an Android device. There are three types of apps that we're going to be looking at. There are free apps with in-app purchases, and paid apps. Free apps are just what they sound like. They're free. They may have ads in them, but you're not charged anything. Free apps with in-app purchases are also free. However, there are things that you may buy within that app to assist its functionality. For example, a lot of games might require something like clues or hints or something to help the gameplay along. In those situations, you may have to purchase those in order to, again, help the gameplay along. Then there are paid apps. Those are apps that you just buy. All of the apps are coming from the Google Play Store, which you can see here on the front page of this tablet. So we're going to start there. The first one we're going to look at is a free app. It is called Traffic Run. And I'm just going to type the title in. And there it is. To install it, you just simply click or tap the install button. It takes a few minutes to come up. Okay, so it came up very quickly. So we can open it right from here if we wanted to. However, I'm going to show you where the app actually goes to. So we're back at home. And then from the bottom of the screen, if you just swipe up very gently, you'll see it there. The apps on your home page are not all of the apps that you have on your device. So you can find the rest of them by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. So we're going to tap on Traffic Run, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, it came up very quickly. So we have our settings over here, and there are a few settings that you can change. You can change the language, you can change the sound, things like that. So let's play it really quickly. Okay, and that's all it is. It's just a very basic driving game where you can stop, start, try to avoid the other cars. Okay, let's move on. Now we're going to try an app with an in-app purchase. Again, going to the Play Store. And we just click this arrow to go back, and we are going to go with a game called Hidden City. There it is. And we're going to install. Okay, that one went very quickly as well. And this time we'll just go from right there. Might take a minute or so to load. And it's loading actually very quickly, all things considered. Okay, Google Play Games is required. So we're going to install that. Some games require this because they're a little bit more involved than other games. Okay, so we can open now. And it might just take a moment to load. And there we are. So we're going to continue to game. That was an example of some ads. It's showing us some other games that are options that we could also download. So at the top of the screen, you can see your energy level, you can see player advancement. There are some coins and some jewels. I have not played this game before, so I'm not sure exactly what the coins and jewels do, but let's assume we're going to need more of them. So I'm going to click on the coins. And here we go. So it looks like there's a very good deal right now where you can get 4,000 coins and 15 jewels for 99 cents. If you look below, you can see that the 4,000 coins and 15 joules would be $1.99 each normally, but they're offering us a special deal. So let's do that. And as you can see here, this is a one-tap buying. So the card number that's entered is not an actual credit card. It's a gift card. So if you are at all concerned with putting your own card into a device, you can use a regular gift card that, the ones that you get at the store where they have like $10, $20 on them. So if anything does happen, that's all you lose. You don't lose everything that's on your actual credit card. So, goodbye. That's how you make an in-app purchase. You click on to the thing you want to purchase. It gives you the option to buy. You click buy, and then it loads it up. So you go back to the game, and you can see now at the top of the screen there are a lot more coins and a lot more jewels. So we're going to move on now to a paid app. And we're going to go back to the Google Play Store. And we are going to do a quick search. Let's go to the game Super Type. I'm going to select it. And we're going to select the $1.99 purchase. Again, we ask for the one-tap buy. We're going to tap to do it. And the payment was successful. Okay. And they do offer this special 1-month trial and then $4.99 per month after that. But you get hundreds of games and apps, free of ads and in-app purchases, but it does cost you $5.99 a month. So depending on how often you purchase apps, it might be worth it for you, but we're not going to do that today. So let's open this to see what it's like. Okay, so I'm not sure what this game is, so let's assume we don't want it. So one way to get rid of an app is to ask for a refund. So we're going to tap refund and then confirm that we do in fact want to get rid of it. And there, it's that quick. Now, so that's how you get rid of an app that you've paid for and get your money back. Now we're going to go to the other apps that we've installed. And let's start with Traffic Run here. Now we can select items, and this would be for rearranging mostly, but we want to uninstall. Let's select Traffic Run. We do have these other options here. We can have multiple items selected and then be able to rearrange them or uninstall them. We can add this to the home page if we wanted to. We can find out more information on the app, and let's do that. You can see how much memory it uses and what its storage is. Let's go back, and we can select multiple items. And you can see on Traffic Run, there's a check mark in the upper left corner, and you'd be able to select others as well. And then at the top of the screen, you see where it says uninstall. You could uninstall it there, and that way you can uninstall multiple apps at the same time. But let's go back and just press uninstall here. And we do want to uninstall it, and there. And just like that, it is gone. So the other way to do it is select items. I'm not going to select other items, but I could, and then at the top of the screen, select uninstall. And that way you can get rid of multiple apps at the same time. And so that is how we install and uninstall apps. Thank you for checking out Tech Tuesday. It's been a pleasure being with you, and hope to have you back again. Thank you.